Guys, what's going on today? We're going to talk about Frag Pro Shooter, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how I found the mod which gave me unlimited gems and coins in the game to me, guys. And I'm going to show you that how I found it this mod, and it's pretty simple and very easy to do it also, you guys. So if you want to learn how to do it and you want to do it same as me, you just can follow this tutorial until the end. You're going to be able to understand all the steps, which are pretty simple. And I have to mention to you guys, I already tried in my both devices, in my iPhone and my Samsung, which I'm recording with it right now. And today I decided to show you the steps with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android users, guys. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to make a tutorial also for the Android users. As I mentioned before, steps are the same for the both devices, so I presume you're not going to face any problem. But anyway, for any kind of reason you might have and you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, I will do it without a problem for you guys. Okay, so what we're going to do, first of all, I'm going to open the game real quick to show you what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial with what you have to do and where you have to go in order to get this mod if you want to get it also, you. Okay, so we just enter inside of the game right now, just a few seconds to get connected. And as you can see right over here, guys, I got so many of gems and coins, and I'm going to show you step by step that how you can do it also, you. Okay, so guys, before we start the loading process of this mod, you just need to make few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before. If you did before, there is no need to make these changes again. Okay, so we'll just go to the settings and then scroll it down to the general over here and scroll it down to background up refresh, again background up refresh, and make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Why this is important? This is important because during the process of downloading of the mod, the process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. Okay, like this, you're going to be able to be connected with Wi-Fi, mobile data, so the internet will be more secure and the whole process can be done correctly. So after you complete the first check, guys, you get back to the settings again and scroll it down till to the battery over here. And if you are using a lower power mode, make sure you're going to switch it off before before you start. And after you finish the whole process, you can come back to the lower power mode and make it active again if you like to have it active lower power mode. Okay, so these steps that I already show you to you right now, guys, are required only for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. Okay, all you need to do, you just need to go straight to your internet browser. Now I'm talking for the both devices. You have to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, guys, and all you need to do, you just need to type the name of the website, which I'm going to type for you, and I'm going to focus it immediately. Here we are. You just need to enter inside of it, and just a few seconds to get connected with the main page. Okay, here we are. You go immediately to the searching bar so you don't lose time to find by scrolling, and just type the name of the game, and here it is. You just need to press in the middle and then press again the green sign, download now, and it will start the loading process of the mod, guys. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod on your game, and it's going to be able to start to generate the gems and coins same as me. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Just one more tip before I leave: if to any one of you it will show up to require extra steps in the end of this process, this is because of the region where you're located, guys. So if it's going to happen, just complete what is required and you're going to be able to get the mod same as me. Thank you for watching. Cheers.